upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. And in this video, I am doing some updates on some wig reviews, and these are all going to be sensational. We're going to start with this one. This is one of my just all-time favorite wigs in general. It's a beautiful yaki texture. This is Brianna, and she's in the color T4860. Such a beautiful number 4 root. Gorgeous ashy blonde color. I think the length is great. The texture makes it so it doesn't really tangle. She's lasted. This is a warmer wig. It's a thick wig. It's a very full wig, so that's just something to keep in mind. This isn't a summer wig. I love this wig. I love this wig. I might actually get her in another color. That's how much I love her. You know when I love a wig, if I'm ready to get a backup. I would like to get this rose gold. It's T1B / rose gold, but you know I don't like a real heavy dark root. So I don't know. I might get her another color, I might not, but at any rate, I still love this wig. And yeah, I definitely say if you don't have this wig, scoop her up. She's fabulous. Next one is Sensational's Tiara, and I have her in the color T1B / matte lavender. I absolutely love this wig. The color is gorgeous. The style is gorgeous. It feels good. Yeah, I love this wig. I would suggest her in other colors, but I would really suggest her in this matte lavender. It's got this ashy undertone. I'm just super feeling this wig. I love this wig. I did have to put some dry shampoo because she was a little too silky. She is not as shiny in real life as she is reading on this camera. I'll tell you that right now. She is a matte color in real life. If you want to see more like outside light pictures, go to my Instagram, Tia Maria Everyday, and I have some video and some pictures of her outside so you can see what she looks in a more natural light setting. But I love this wig and I definitely suggest it. And next up we have, I actually reviewed this wig a long time ago, and I remember kind of being on the fence, but I think now that I have a little bit more experience with wigs, I do really like this wig. She's a very full wig, and this is Kailyn, and I have her in the color T1B / 30. I originally wanted her in this color that's on here, which is the T1B / dark teal. She's one of those free part, meaning you can just like shift it left, right, or center. In the review, I had her in the center. This is one of the issues I have with this wig. One, I don't think it looks like this. I feel like, especially in the center, she's not as full. She has a lighter wave. I don't know. I just don't feel like it's the same. However, I don't hate the wig. I just think the stock card is a little off. This is a very full wig. This is not a summer wig. This is a fall winter type of wig. I do think it's really pretty. I have changed my mind. I don't even remember because it's been so long. I'm so surprised I haven't done an update on this sooner. But I know I felt a type of way about her initially, and I've changed my mind. I really do like this wig. Wig cap is comfortable. It's very full. I do like her better shifted to the side than to the middle, and sometimes with wigs it's just that. It's just the way that it's shifted on your head. The color is beautiful. Like I said, it's super full. This is definitely not a summer wig. I'm filming this update in the summer and I'm sweating. I actually would suggest Kailyn. Again, I don't remember my original review if I didn't suggest Kailyn. Upon wearing her and working with her a little bit differently, I do suggest Kailyn. So we like Kailyn now. Last but not least is this Sensational Empress wig, free parting. This is Jade, and I have her in the color 99J. She is very long. I actually love this wig. I want to wear her out one time, and then I am going to cut her because she's like 30 inches long, I would say. I'm 5'6½". She's all the way to my belly button, maybe even further. So she's at least 30 inches long. Very nice yaki texture. She doesn't tangle as much as I thought she would for something so long. This 99J is a beautiful color. Absolutely love this wig, and I would suggest her. I feel like this is one of the ones I was trying to get her before in the color T1B dark teal, but Yeah, I really love this wig. I think she's super pretty. So that's what I have for you for sensational updates. If there's wigs that you would like me to update, please put that down below. If you have this wig and you have it in another color, you have something to add about this wig or any of the other wigs that I updated, please let me know that too. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you have, thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.